Hey God, and Mother Nature themselves were not able to happen to them anymore, and the way their emotion on the earth is out there, only examined as itself, nothing else both there. Hey Mother Nature is on the earth itself able to be herself to affect on it. Like whatever the meaning of it, and knowing that nothing can ever happen God Mother Nature anymore. And they kill by Mother Nature. They can never exist again. And just examine born themselves, examine born okay or not, and that's all.